Well, thank you for purchasing our body one camera. You get a SC01 body camera, the menu, the vacuum cradle, the clip, the USB cable, and a charger in your package. Firstly, you'll be able to find out our button dimensions of this body camera in the menu, page 2. And this is the power button, this is the FM button, this is the USB port, this is the photo button, this is the video audio button, this is the video recording button, this is the menu button, this is the left button, and this is the right button. This button is used to the reset function. First, let's how on the camera, hold the power button for about 3 seconds. To turn on the body on camera, hold the power button again for another 3 seconds. To power it off. When the camera is in standby mode, press the video button to take a video. You now see the video is in recording mode, and the LED is flashing in red. Press this button again to start video recording. In standby mode, press the audio button to start audio recording. You see the LED is flashing in orange. Press the button again to stop it. Press the photo button to take the photograph. If you want to make a video recording at night, you can press the FM button to activate it. A video mode, you see there is the icon here and the night vision modes or layer. Press it again to exit the night vision mode. Enter Exit. The camera has SOS alarm function. Hold FM button for 3 seconds to activate this function to get attention of other people. To cancel the siren, hold the FM button for another 3 seconds. The siren will be cancelled and on the LED mode. If we want to exit this mode, hold in for another seconds. You can use the left and right button to tune in and tune out. Hold the left button to tune in. Hold the right button to tune out. How to configure the camera. To enter the manual mode, press the menu button 1 time. You'll be able to enter the menu setting mode. In the menu options screen, you can use the left and right button. Amend these options, and just the menu button to confirm. If you want to go back, use the photo button to return. Confirm, return. For example, if we want to choose the auto LCD time, auto LCD off time to 5 minutes, then move to here and use the menu button to confirm it. If you want to exit the menu mode, press the photo button again. How to playback device on this camera. Hold the menu button. Remember, it is hold the menu button. Hold it for 3 seconds, and then you will enter the playback mode. Use the left and right button to prompt these options, and use the menu button to confirm. For example, if I want to play back the first video, we press the menu button. And use the photo button to go back. How is the quick? Push the quick. And this grip is 360-degree rotation, so you will be able to rotate it to any actions. And press the quick to grab on any clothings. For example, on our chest harness. If you want to take out the grip, press this metal part, and then pull out the click. We also have other optional grips like calm out, chest harness, thread, the gated clip on our Amazon store. How to charge the body camera? We'll have 2 ways to charge the body camera. The first is use the side USB port to charge the body camera battery. With our mini USB cable, the camera will power on, and you will see the charging icon here and the blue LED on the front. You can also charge the body camera with a cradle. Bolt the camera to the cradle and connect the USB cable to the gut. You will see the blue LED on the front and the red LED of the cradle. It is SPIKECAM managed to use the dock. How to upload videos. Here's the USB cable connecting USB cable to computer and connect the other side with the camera. If you had activated the password lock, you will have to enter the password here. You use the menu button to confirm and go ahead. The default password is 60. After you enter the correct password, the camera will turn into an USB drive, and you will be able to see the drive on the computer. And you'll be able to buy out the video audio files on the SC01 folder. If you want to use the dock to connect to the computer, you have no place to enter the password. Then you have to use the Tab Manager to unlock the memory card of this SPIKECAM. First, connect camera to a computer. The computer will power on, and you will hear the connecting sound on the computer. Follow the Cam Manager button on our website. Unzip it. Double-click on the Cam Manager to open it. Choose the user type or the administrator, and then enter password 60. Click on the login button. You'll be able to configure the device information here, for example, the device ID, user ID, and other information. You can also change password here, but please remember the password you changed. You can configure the parameters on the other tab. For example, you can change the video resolutions here and click on the Apply button. If you want to unlock the memory card, go to the Device Information tab and click on the Open your disk button. The camera now has turned into an USB disk drive on the computer. You'll be able to find out the files under the SC01 folder. You can play back these files with the VLC player